Hello, friends. Hope you're good. And today we'll talk about a beautiful idea that is trellis for garden. A trellis fence or screen is a perfect way to add a sense of privacy and structure to your background, whether the design is made of wood or metal. A garden trellis creates a beautiful backdrop for outdoor living spaces. These trellis ideas, ranging from simple structure to elaborate design, will help shape your patio and garden style. Surround your deck or patio with a trellis to separate it from the rest of your house exterior and make it feel like its own little world. This creates a more cohesive deck design and provides a visually appealing backdrop for seating or dining area. A wood trellis with an abstract design tops a deck railing for an added decorative element in this calming outdoor space. Long sectional trellis creates a useful zone for potting benches and garden prep work. The front of the trellis acts as a staging area for an assortment of potted flowering plants. A trio of structures, including a small grid trellis, a large L-shaped trellis for privacy, and a gated arbor, all fit in a side yard that's only a few feet wide. Trellises can also act as background or support for plants. Colorful flowering vines or blooming shrubs are perfect for pairing with garden trellis design. A magnificent trellis and pergola combined with a gated fence to form the garden's entrances elevates a simple bench by using beautiful garden trellis as a backdrop. Trellis can be used for attaching the flower vines to make them a shed-like structure, and that will increase your garden beauty as well as the balconies and patios, and that can be used as modern separators. And it can be in any shape or in any size and in any material. Traditional white and wooden trellis designs provide classic charm, but other materials work well too. A trellis fence offers a more decorative way to divide your yard and choose a design that complements your design overall style. And choose your design according to your garden as well as your garden space, because it's very important that you know the accurate space and size of your garden, so you can make the trellis according to the required space. And these trellis work very well to separate the gardens as well. And it's a kind of garden sculpture as well. You can use them in different colors or different shapes and different sizes. So this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like it. And if you like